Welcome to Fujifilm Sonosite service training on the Sonosite LX. This series covers breakdown of the Sonosite LX into its component service assemblies. In this video, we will cover removal and replacement of the stand power supply. It is important that proper precautions are taken during servicing to protect the system and its internal components from electrostatic discharge. It is recommended that all work be performed on an ESD-safe mat, and that a grounding strap be worn by whomever is performing the service. Always ensure the system is powered off and disconnected from AC before servicing. For this portion of servicing the Sonosite LX, you will need a T10, T15, and T30 Torx bits and a torque driver set to 12 inch-pounds, 1.4 Newton-meters. Remove the PowerPark module if installed. See the video Sonosite LX and PX PowerPark stand module replacement. Using a T30 Torx bit, remove the 4 screws from the bottom base cover. Remove the bottom base cover. Take note of the cable routing, as correct positioning on reinstallation is important. Disconnect the power cords by sliding the red lock mechanism back and pulling the cords apart from each other. Using a T10 bit, remove the 4 screws that secure the power supply to the power in and power out mounting brackets. Note that one screw secures a ground lug. Using a T15 bit, remove the 2 screws securing each bracket to the base. Again, note the cable routing here. Remove the power supply and disconnect the AC input and DC output cables. Reinstallation is accomplished by reversing these steps and torquing the screws to 12 inch-pounds, 1.4 Newton-meters. If assistance with ordering parts or isolating repairs is needed, please contact Fujifilm Sonosite Technical Support.